everyone, how are you? I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Relationships Redefined. I hope all of you must be in good of your health amid this coronavirus pandemic, which is aggravating even more since the lockdown has been lifted up. This Unlock 4.0 has lifted up all the curves which were there on the economy, and people are presuming that yes, the condition is getting better, and most of them have stopped taking all the precautions. And as a result of which, what is happening? The thing is that the severity of the pandemic or the corona cases, they are increasing. As a result of which, the availability to the health services, it is decreasing. So as we have developed some relationship, like since I am presenting my point of view here and you people are listening, so all of us have developed a relationship. As a result of which, I find it mandatory to discuss this with you all, that please take good care of yourselves, as the condition is getting worse. It is not getting better. And as we are moving towards winters, so it will be very, very common for people to develop flu symptoms like cold and cough. And as a result of which, all those who are asymptomatic, they will also show symptoms now. So you must have all heard that most of the population in India which was having corona was asymptomatic. But now supposing if all those people will also show symptoms of cold and cough, and they will also transfer the virus through their symptoms. So imagine how fast it is going to transfer to other people. So all those of you who have stopped taking precautions, thinking that the government has lifted up all the curbs from the economy, so thinking that if you all will just stop taking the precautions, then that will be very wrong on your part. So this is going to be this is not going to be a health advisory video. Obviously we will talk about relationships, but being in a relationship, it is mandatory to tell or convey my messages to you. So today it's Daughter's Day, and what else can be the best or the most relevant topic or most relevant relationship to be discussed, being a parent to a daughter, the relationship between a father and a daughter and a mother and a daughter, or we should say a parent and a daughter. This is a very, very what should I say? I just forgot what to say. Okay, so I think that a daughter and a parent relationship is very delicately, it is woven with so many emotions in our heart, and we are all very much possessive about them. Why? Because we have to send them, they have to go away in other family, they have to just take position of being a woman in some other family. So by the time our daughters grow into adults, they just move away from us, and that is the thing which we all are feeling since the day we get a daughter. We all love them so much, and then suddenly they have to just leave our home, and they have to be customary. This is customary in our society, that they have to go and they have to be a woman of someone else's life. They are just so, as a result of which, what is happening? We are developing that soft corner which is there in our heart since we find that we have a daughter with us. But this is not same for all of us. There is still so much conservativeness in this society. The people are still so conservative about the fact of bearing a daughter. There are even the educated ones want a son. If supposingly someone has got a first child as a daughter, that person still wants to have a son as a second child, so that who can take on the legacy of that family to next levels. Maybe that boy even destroys all the name that the family has had previously, but still everyone wants to have a son, so that the legacy of the family can be carried on forever. But is it right? Or is it is like जो what should I say, is it like after being so much educated, after finding that even the daughters are competing in the same level as the boys and they are bringing up the same laurels to the family, is it right to feel the same way that we should just always desire for a son to be there? The daughter and the son holds an equal value. The government is also trying their best to equalize all the rules for the daughters and the son of the family. But still, that education that was not there since the previous, like all those in the previous centuries, the education regarding the equality between a man and a woman, that was not there, as a result of which it is still flowing in our society. Supposingly, if a lady wants to have a daughter, thinking that yes, daughters are also a very important part of the family, the father will also settle down, the mother also develops the compassion towards other female once she has given a birth to a female. But suddenly what happens, her mother will somehow inculcate the feeling that no, okay, if you have had a daughter, that is good, you should also have a son, because who is going to look after you once you grow old? Who is going to carry on the name of the family after your daughter is gone? Because daughter has to bear the name of some other family. And all those, if there is a family in which only 2 daughters are there, people just keep on insisting them, telling them, okay, why are you not trying to have a son? They are also being pressurized. So the fact that yes, a daughter has to bear the name of the family in which she is married, but what like supposingly if someone is telling us कि हमें बेटा चाहिए, वो हमारे खानदान का नाम रोशन करेगा, बट आस्क योरसेल्व्स कि आर वी टाटा बिरलाज और समवन जिसके खानदान का नाम अगर रोशन अगर फॉरएवर एंड फॉरएवर नहीं चलेगा तो कोई प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी? ऐसा तो कुछ भी नहीं होता ना. आज से 100 साल पहले कोई मित्तल्स, कोई गुप्ताज थे अगर सपोजिंगली, और उनकी फैमिलीज आज भी आ रही है. उन्होंने 100 साल पहले कोई एक नाम रोशन किया था, फिर धीरे धीरे उनकी फैमिलीज में फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस आई या बच्चों ने अपनी फील्ड्स चेंज कर ली और वो काम को आज उस वित्तल्स और गुप्ताज के हम नहीं जानते. अगर तो क्या उनकी मतलब उस काम को अगर हम लोग नहीं जानते तो उनके घर में बेटे होते रहे, वो लोग काम बदलते रहे, इसका इस चीज से कोई लेना देना नहीं है कि हमारी फैमिली का नाम आगे बेटे ही चलाएंगे. कई बार बेटे सिर्फ बहुत सारे ऐसे काम हो जाते हैं कि बेटे नाम डुबो देते हैं, तो उसके बाद तो हम लोगों ने अपने मन में ये नहीं कभी सोचा कि बेटे नाम डुबोते भी हैं या बेटियां नाम. Like supposingly if today Aishwarya Rai has acclaimed so much fame in her life, then obviously today if she is a daughter-in-law of Amitabh Bachchan, that is a very that has bring laurels to their family. But no one has ever forgotten the names of her parents. Deepika Padukone has always been known as a daughter of Prakash Padukone. Though her father was himself a badminton player, that is a altogether different thing. But it doesn't show or it doesn't represent that Deepika Padukone is now supposedly if married to Ranveer Singh, then her father will no more be known as the father of Deepika Padukone. कि अगर हम ये सोचते हैं कि बेटा ही हमारी लेगेसी आगे लेके जाएगा और बेटी ने परिवार बदल के दूसरे परिवार में चले जाना है तो हमारा नाम रोशन नहीं कर पाएगी, तो ये हमारी सबसे बड़ी गलत सोच है. हम अपने आप को मॉडर्न सोसाइटी का पार्ट तो मानते हैं, हम अपने आप को एक्ट्रेसेस की तरह ड्रेसअप करके ब्यूटी प्लस ऐप से सजा के पोस्ट तो डालना सीख गए हैं इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक पे, पर जो हमें एजुकेशन के साथ साथ इतनी सारी गाइडेंस भी मिली स्कूल्स में, कॉलेजेस में, मैसेजेस के थ्रू, इतने सारे लिटरेचर के थ्रू कि विमेन आर एज इक्वल एज मेन, डॉटर्स आर एज इक्वल एज सन, वो हम अभी आज तक भी अडाप्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं. कुछ, मैं ये जनरल नहीं बोल रही हूँ, मेरा पॉइंट उन कुछ पर्टिकुलर लोगों के लिए है जो ऐसा करते हैं और हम सबको पता है कि एक्चुअली कहीं ना कहीं हमें कोई ना कोई इन्फ्लुएंस जरूर करता है ये बात कह के, चाहे वो हमारी मदर्स हैं, चाहे वो हमारी एल्डर सिस्टर्स हैं, चाहे वो हमारी भाभियां हैं, चाहे वो हमारी दादियां हैं, चाहे वो हमारी नानियां हैं, जो भी हैं वो कोई ना कोई हमें इन्फ्लुएंस जरूर करती है कि यू शुड हैव अ सन जो आगे जाके आपकी फैमिली का नाम रोशन करेगा. तो ऑन दिस डॉटर्स डे लेट्स ऑल प्लेज कि अब हम आज से अपनी बेटी और बेटे को इक्वल मानेंगे और उन दोनों को इक्वल प्यार देके, इक्वल बड़ा करके आगे भी उनको यही संस्कार देंगे कि उन्हें भी आगे आने वाली जनरेशन को भी यही फॉलो करना है कि men and women are equal, daughters and sons are equal, girl and boy are equal. I hope आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो. प्लीज लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए एंड कमेंट कीजिए. टेक केयर, बाय.